Hello dears. In this video I am teaching you web designing development. You learn in this video HTML5. There is few chapters. In first chapter we teach you the structure of HTML. Chapter 2 text. Chapter 3 lists. Chapter 4 links, Chapter 5 images, Chapter 6 tables, Chapter 7 forms. In this 7 videos you learn basic of HTML, how can create basic website using HTML5. It is the structure of website where you can design complete structure of your websites, which is the very basic things. You learn step by steps how can make your websites. After complete the HTML5, we start CSS3 and JavaScript. HTML5, if you have not background in any programming language in computer, no worry about it. I will teach you step by step basics to advance. For that you need one editor software. I use Visual Studio. You can download it from internet easy. VS Code, just Google it, VS Code Visual Studio. You can find it easy. I am showing you the sites, editor, what kind of editor and how we use it. That is a Visual Studio editor. In this course I will use the Visual Studio to make a websites. Our first lesson is the structure of website. What is the structure of website? How we structure our websites? First HTML, close HTML, then come header, close head HTML body. These three things the main HTML structures. We call the HTML structures. In body section, what we use, all things display on website we use from body. A to Z, which text, image, animations we are going to display on our website, which going to code in body section. In head section, we close head here, not head section. In head section, what we use, they display on browsers and meta tags, other information, keywords we use here, and links, some scripts here. I will teach you step by step these things. You see the website's name, mostly you can find google.com, Facebook, Twitter. These titles will display here. We use here title. Like here we use the display on browser title. These are a structure of website where we complete design our websites. Yes, there is a heading tag h1 Lara website design. h1, the header tags h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, h6. The biggest tag which display on website is the h1. Let's copy this. Just you select complete that one and control C. It's copy text. Place that h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, h6. Same h2, h3, h4, h5, h6. Let's check it on browser. Look, we have displayed the h1 is the biggest one, h2 smallest, h3 small, then h2, last one is h6. When we use the title and subtitles headings, you see the websites, any article they have headings. So in this tutorial you learn the how can make the heading of websites using h1 tags. Remember, h1 tags used for headings. If you want make a paragraph in our websites, we use p tag for paragraph. Here between the two tags, here what you make, write any text here, they display on body of website. Let's check it. The p-tag display text on the body of websites. Now you got it how make p-tag using text on websites. If we want make it bold, here is we have a tag, use B. It make the text bold. And I want to use some text italic like JavaScript. You see the design display on bold on website and JavaScript italic display on website using B tag and I for italic. It display on websites. In this first lecture you learn how structurize your website using some tags, HTML tags, head tags, body tags, these tags. You practice yourself these words and I guide you how can save your web page file. Click on save as show you or save as. Keep your name, file name, then dot h after dot html must be saved extension in html. If you not save in as html, it cannot display on browser. You must keep name html. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in next lecture.